Dismiss. Okay. Technical difficulty. Okay, we're back. And this is what it is. Okay, this is what it is. All the loot starts as common in this mode. And enter whatever that word is on each respawn with five lives and better loot at your disposal. Can you make a comeback?
Mom, let's do this.
Ready up? Ready up!
You're not ready.
Wait, I almost forgot! Put on my skin.
You didn't even ready up.
I did, but I forgot to put on my lucky skin, Axel.
That's right.
And guys, if you haven't already, like, subscribe, and I'll see you when we're on the battle bus. Okay. Hey, it's that everyone has 5 lives, each weapon and gain health on each kills or something supply drops. But
I'm coming, I see you.
Imagine if we die instantly. The second we win, we instantly die. Running.
Yes,
We got a gray pistol, but the win with the gray pistol.
Wait, tell me to jump. Oh wait, I got a grappler.
You got a grappler?
Yeah.
I just got a gray pistol.
I got a pistol.
You got a grappler and a pistol.
People.
I don't know how you got a grappler, but I did it.
I did it. Dude, I'm in a people area. Help. There's people everywhere.
Oh! No. What? How did that guy end? I only have 3 lives. No, 4 lives left. Can I make a comeback?
Did you die?
There's a guy in the house. Do not go in the house.
Okay, I'm going out.
I'm coming, man. I see you, little lamb. I'm calling you. Wait, you want to get a comeback on this guy?
Wait. What is that? A Uzi?
A what?
I found a submachine gun.
At least I got a green pistol.
I have a submachine gun, dude. Submachine gun.
Me too.
There it is.
It's green. Oh, I'll kill the guy. Kill it. Got that cool Rocket League combat. Killing it. That guy has a Rocket League Lamborghini. I love that car. That guy just stole,
Get him.
Wait, this is the guy I gotta do. Come back on.
You going that way, I going this way. You got the wall.
Oh, this guy. No, he might come. Oh, that guy just rammed him.
Let's go. Oh no. He rammed me too. You put down. Did you die?
Did he kill you?
Yes.
Me too. I only have 3 lives. I have 3 lives left, Ronan.
I have 4.
This still counts as the first official victory if we get the victory.
Oh! Let's go. Dude, I just got killed.
I might have stole your golden ammo, but
Dude, I just can't believe I just got killed.
no.
Thank you for building the wall.
But I'm gonna die again. Oh my goodness! How am I keep dying? I'm a
I
bot.
only died once.
I died 4. I died 3 times. Kill that guy and get revenge on me.
I just died. Okay. Where are you?
No, I think. Yes, I killed. I got. I'm gonna come back on this guy.
Dude, come here. I'm right above you.
I see ya.
Dude, come here. Come in this house. This might have some loot.
one.
I got a blue SMG too.
Every time I got a purple SMG.
How did you get already advanced to purple?
Because every time you die, your loot goes up so you can
Wait,
get.
so if we get to one, wait. Two people.
I see them. I accidentally shot, so I'm gonna.
I'm sneaking up. Ready? You go left, I go right. So we cave in on them.
I'm coming.
Okay, I think they both died. Oh, I see somebody.
I see someone landing.
Me too.
This is technically Team Rumble, but we have only 5 lives. I have 2 lives left.
Let's go! I knocked him out. Honestly, knock him out. I can't believe I got 2 kills already. Dude.
Oh! I killed this guy twice in a row!
Can you help me? I'm at low health.
I don't have any healing.
I'm about to die.
And this car has no fuel. That's why that Joker guy wasn't driving.
Wait. I have an idea. What if we lure people over here and then...
Well, should I kill that guy over there?
I just saw somebody. Come here.
I see a bunch of people fighting. Come on. No, follow me.
He's at low health. I'm at low health.
Wait, I'm gonna...
19 health. Blow up that car. I'm blowing up that car.
I'm gonna get revenge on this Iron Man guy for killing me again! This guy's gonna not see what's coming! Look behind you, dodo head! Oh, I'm right here, bot!
Oh, jeez. Dude. Help me, somebody's shooting out there.
Okay.
He just shot me.
Oh my gosh, that guy has no idea where I'm coming from. But then, that guy...
Where are you? Oh, there you are. Oh, wait. I saw somebody. I think he just got killed.
I'm watching these people die and killing these guys. No! Behind you!
Wait, he died?
Everyone's dying over here. And they probably have no idea they're in a YouTube video.
Wait, did you just die?
No. Yes, I did. I cannot respawn anymore. This is my last life.
Dude. I'm gonna beat
Last life. I'm on a legendary at least. At least I'm on legendary.
Dude. I have purple,
I have golden.
just drop on the ice cream store, okay?
I need to get...
Loot. I found some loot. Oh, I got a grenade launcher. No, I actually got a burst.
Is that gold to you?
Huh?
Is that weapon purple? I have a very good loadout, but if I die once, it's all up to you, Cronin.
I don't think we're gonna do it though.
If we do, we're legendaries. There's 28 people left. Do you think Ronan, what do you think we'll do?
Oh, I have an idea. If we don't win, then we won't play Fortnite for a week.
But then, well, I guess I'll start uploading Roblox videos if that happens.
Dude, look at me. Dude, look at me quickly.
Yeah.
Look at me quickly on the screen.
But that guy's about to kill. That guy just shot right in between us.
I just saw him. I saw him. On top of the building.
Oh, behind him! No! inventory, you do not have a sniper. If you guys can see, he does not have a sniper. I'm so tired. It's so late. Wait, pick that up, pick that up, pick that up.
Oh, rifle?
Trade it for the, no, behind you. I hear shooting somewhere.
Yeah, it's on top of me.
And guys, if you haven't seen our latest video, go check it out. And hit and slap that big fat subscribe button if you want to get us the first actual official win on the channel. Team Rumble does not count ever. And yep, and you guys, it looks like you guys didn't hit the like button because Ronan's getting bad luck. So,
We lost.
well, at least,
I died.
so guys, so you guys didn't, well, maybe for next video, give us good luck and subscribe now. How about that? Yeah, maybe that will work. If you want to see us get our first victory royale. And see you guys. Bye.